Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Right here in the search, enter NotifyBuddy. So it's the app that allows us to get this custom LED lamp notifications. When it's ready, you should be able to open the app. Then we can move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. And the last option is battery optimization, and I wouldn't disable it, so let's proceed. And from now we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can select any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize our LED lamp. So you can change the size, shape, placement on the screen or color. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.